man. Yeah, this the baby right here, man. She take E85 too, so I'm gonna put y'all on with that shit. She do take E85 though. So y'all tap in with that, man. E85. Yes, sir. Supreme only, man. I don't do that cheap shit. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Y'all know what's going on. YouTube. POV, man. I already said this, but I know I'm gonna say it again. POV, man. Hey, we in the Q5. We in the Audi truck, gang. YouTube. We are back with a banger, man. Y'all see what we in that big boy Audi, man. Audi. How y'all say it, man? Y'all say Audi or y'all say Audi? But yeah, we in that big boy motherfucker, man. So look, POV drive, panoramic roof. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, POV drive though. So we cruising downtown, man. I just had to go get me some medicine and shit. We cruising right now, so I'm gonna go get some gas, get to the crib. But what's good, YouTube, man? So yeah, third whip to the channel, the Audi Q5. Audi Q5 truck, man. So we needed a daily, so we went and got us a daily, man. Look at the motherfucking steering wheel. Let me go ahead and show y'all the motherfucking steering wheel and shit. Yeah. So this is the daily. This is the new daily. This is the new chapter to the channel. One of these cars, I think the Scat Pack will be gone this year coming up. So y'all stay tuned for that. This motherfucker like a spaceship. I really don't even know, like, I'm still getting used to this motherfucker though, but for real. So we cruising downtown. Or if y'all ever been to Houston, downtown Houston, man. You know, downtown Houston. We stuck behind a bus right now and some more shit, but yeah. So this is night POV just for the masses, man. We got a couple more cities we going to. We have a trip to Atlanta on the 29th. We have a trip to Tennessee. We have a trip to LA, Vegas, and Cali. So we just busy, man. We busy. We staying booked up. We staying prayed up, and we gonna keep moving. We gonna keep working. As of right now, I don't know what the channel gonna bring, but I'm telling y'all right now, this channel finna be what it's supposed to be. Give me a couple more months. Come on, bro. This little motherfucker got some torque too. But yeah, so I'm finna go get some gas right now. I just wanted to do a POV because I haven't done anything to introduce this car to the channel yet. So what we're gonna do right now is just let y'all see how smooth it is, feel the ride, you know what I'm saying, enjoy downtown, all this paint, all this art, you know what I'm saying. I don't even know where I'm going because I'm on GPS. I know I need gas. I'm finna go get that right now, but I'm on GPS right now. So with that being said, I'm just cruising. Don't know where I'm supposed to be going, but I'm just driving, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But for the most part, so we got a lot of new stuff coming to the channel. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna be a lot more things coming, a lot more new people on the channel, a lot more everything. So just stay tuned. Bear with me on these breaks from these videos. I'm trying not to bore y'all with the content that I'm getting, just for the simple fact I know I'm gonna be going out of town more. So I'm gonna start doing, like, I'm gonna go get my tires and stuff done, get this tune-up done on the Scat Pack, little things like that. So that way, you know what I'm saying, we can keep videos dropping and keep the content rolling and keep the revenue going. So I can also get out of town and do more stuff. I'm looking to go to Alaska. I want to go to Canada. We trying to do something in Puerto Rico. So it's a lot coming for the car scene, man. Y'all stay tuned. A lot more daily vlogs on the way. Look at this spaceship. A lot more daily vlogs on the way. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We gonna have it. It's coming. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts. It is coming. It's coming to the channel. So y'all stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? Like always, man. Ski Gang Daily is the second channel. We got SRT Noski as the first channel. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, SRT Noski, as well as Facebook, SRT Noski, man. And it's just how we coming, man. Bro, what the fuck is you doing, dumbass? I'm finna jump on this expressway, man. I'll get with y'all later.